needs to go. Whoa! This is the coolest water park ever.
There's the Super Curler Whirler Total Turbo Super Slide.
Frank, take your sister with you.
Okay.
Oh, wait, Nina, do you need to use the bathroom first?
Nope, no time for that. I'm ready to slide. Let's go, Frank. I bet this water slide is the biggest one in the whole world. I wonder who gets to measure water slides. I'd do it. That'd be a cool job.
Nina, do you need to, do you need to go?
Nope. I bet I'd be the best water slide measuring person ever.
Nina, you really look like you need to go.
Frank, I know I don't need to go.
I think you do.
Don't.
Do.
Don't.